Hey there, it's me Ivars. Today, we are going to start creating an app. Open Unity Hub and click on New Project. Then select either 2D Core or 2D Mobile and name your project. The first time you open a project, Unity will take some time to load, so be patient. Once the project is loaded, it should look like this. You can change the layout if you like. Now, let's get started. First, we need a canvas as the foundation for the rest. Then, we can place a panel on top of the canvas to create a background. Next, let's create a folder to store our assets. I named my folder My Assets. You can simply drag the image into the project window and then assign the image to the panel's inspector. I want to have a button that displays text, so let's create a script for our button. You will be presented with this, so just say abracadabra and magically change this script. First, we need to change the references. It's important to remember that the script's name should match the class name. Then we add the necessary lines into the void start. Finally, we add a method, which is the preferred term for functions that belong to classes. It is automatically called by Unity when the script instance is being loaded. However, I like to call them functions for the sake of simplicity. We will take a look at this script again in the next video together with more detailed explanation. Now we need to create the button and the text. If you want to, you can disable the text manually in the inspector as well. Now, we need to make sure that the script is attached to the button. The button and text are assigned in the fields. And it should work as expected. Thank you for watching.